Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz Maths. It's Mr. Faraz Hassan here, and in this video we are solving Math Olympiad question. So that's our question number 2. The question here is that 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 the whole power is 12 equals what? So what you have to do now, you have to take x as let x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and as x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, so you have to find x to the power of 12 equals what? So what we can do here, we know that this 2 is in division, so it will multiply on the left side. So that will give you 2x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5. So now we have to do 2x minus 1 is equals to square root of 5. Bring this one to the left side, it will become negative. And then we have to do squaring both sides. And if you do square both sides, it will give you 2x minus 1 whole square is equals to square root of 5 square. So square cancel with the square root, and now if we expand it, 2x minus 1 whole square, that would be 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 5. Then 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So bring this 5 to the left side, it will become negative 5 equals to 0. Now 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4 is equals to 0. Now divide 4 on both sides. So this will give you x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0, which implies that x square is equals to x plus 1. Now this is our main expression, and from this result we will solve the question. So we have x to the power of 12 is equals to, and now I can write it x square to the whole power of 6, because if you multiply 2 with 6 you will get 12. And then what is x square equals to? X square equals to what? It is equals to x plus 1. So we can simply write it as x to the power of 12 is equals to x plus 1 to the whole power of 6. Then in the next step we can write x power 12 is equals to x plus 1 square, the whole power is 3. Now you can expand this x plus 1 whole square, which will give you x square plus 2x plus 1 and whole cube. Remember one thing, we know already that x square is equals to what? X plus 1. So in the next step we can write x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 the whole cube, and that is going to be equal to x plus 1 plus 2x. X plus 2x is 3x plus 1 is plus 2, and that is cube. Now you can write 3x plus 2 cube in this way also. 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2 to the power of 2 times 3x plus 2 to the power of 1, which is going to be equal to, if you expand the first bracket by using a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will give you 9x square plus 12x plus 4, and in the next bracket we have to write 3x plus 2. Now you know this thing that x square is what? X square is x plus 1. So we can rewrite this whole thing as 9 bracket x plus 1 plus 12x plus 4 and then 3x plus 2. Now if you simplify this, this will give you 9x plus 9 plus 12x plus 4. In the other bracket we have 3x plus 2. Then 9x plus 12x 21x, plus 9 plus 4 is plus 13, and 3x plus 2. Now you have to expand these two brackets. What we have to do, we have to multiply 21x by 3x. So this will give us 63x squared. Then you have to multiply 21x by 2, and this will give us 42x. And then we have to multiply 13 by 3x, so this will give us 39x. And then you have to multiply 13 by positive 2, so this will give us plus 26. Then we know this thing already, that x square is what? X plus 1. So in the next step we can write 63 bracket x plus 1 plus 42x plus 39x. This is going to be equal to plus 81x and then plus 26. Now 63x, you have to expand this. 63x plus 63 plus 81x plus 26. So in the next step we can write 63x plus 81x is equals to 144x, and 63 plus 26 is plus 89. So this whole thing is equals to still x to the power of 12, which is equals to 144x plus 89. And from the first step, like from the question, we know this thing that x is equals to what? 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So you have to substitute this. Substitute x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And if we do that, this will give us 144, and in the bracket 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 plus 89. Now you have to cancel this. 2 ones are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, and then x to the power of 12 is equals to 72, and then 1 plus square root of 5 plus 89. So multiply 72 by 1 and 72 by square root of 5. So this will give us 72, x12 is still there, 72 plus 72 square root of 5 plus 89. Now you can add 72 and 89. So this will give you x power 12 equals to 161 plus 72 square root of 5. And that's our answer. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. We will continue from the next.